So in today's video, I'm going to talk about Boom 1000 index next move. That is the main current market shift condition for the Boom 1000 index. So first on our list, we are going to talk about current price action for the next for Boom 1000 index. Then secondly, I'm going to talk about what is the second on the list is next possible move. What are the main market scenarios? Is the market going to move upward? Is the market going to continue the downtrend? I will surely tell you and show you everything in this video. And in my last bonus tip, I'm going to give you best time frame to focus on while trading Boom 1000 index. Now, currently today's date is we are Thursday 17th July 2025. So let's go on now. So let's talk about let's start with number one, the current price action view. So what is the current price action view for Boom 1000 index? Let's quickly check the chart and see what can we have here now. So now looking at the current market condition now on Boom 1000, you can see we have two strict bullish week. This week and this week market has been bullish. Market was able to trade within these 2 weeks. Market was able to trade, let's see, around 16,535 to 17,535. Let's say over 1,000 pips for the last 2 weeks. Market has traded over 1,000 plus pips for the last 2 weeks. So currently, looking at the current market condition for we that are scalpers, let's go to the daily time frame. You can see. So you can see the daily time frame. We have a very nice uptrend here, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. The market push back here. You can see this is it. This is the current trading condition for this market going up. This is the current condition going off. So this is clearly shows us that price has shifted from lower highs, lower low to what we call higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Signifies serious uptrend. This is a serious uptrend. So that is what I want you to understand. So now look at it very well. Market has made a fullback here. This is a very nice fullback. You can see this fullback is nice. I love the fullback because the fullback contains 1, 2, 3 candles. We have 3 bearish candles that will pop this downtrend move. So now what I want you to understand, since the overall market condition has been, though the overall market condition is downtrend, we are still in a downtrend. But what happened? Market has shifted momentum at this area because we still have another high aligning with this high. If you follow if you put the trend line, let me put the trend line. We put the trend line. You can see. If you reference these two highs now, market is typically in a downtrend. So for this bullish momentum to continue, price needs to break above this high, retest it, then find another higher high to complete this market structure by the left side. So that is the current condition for Boom 1000 index now. Market has made an advancement, fullback, and even trying to keep break above the trend line. So if this market was able to break above this trend line and continue the market upward, there is a simple market structure that will need to go here. Because just look at this place now. Just look at it. Just look at it. But this is daily time frame. Just look. Let's go to the 4 hours time frame. You see, this is the 4 hours time frame. And you can see our trend line is still intact here. Our trend line for this high is still intact. Also for this high is still intact. So we're very good to go. So what I want to understand, as a price action, always wait for a pullback into this zone. Market will need to pull back. Market will either come. Let me show you how the other structure will be. Market will either come and touch this place, then made a pullback into this zone before it can continue going up to break these highs. Possibly. But market may not likely continue this downtrend because there was a complete W shape that was formed here. This is head and shoulder. This is shoulder, this is shoulder, and this is head. So that is what we have here. And if you are a price action trader and if you scalp the Boom 1000, if you go to the 1 hour time frame, or let's say go to 30-minute time frame, You should be able to notice that there are some zones that market need to bounce up and respected. So like look at this one now. Market come into this zone. Market can also come to this zone, draw here, get another bottom, come back. If market did not break below this low, market has a tendency to just tap into it, and what happened? It will started going off higher. That is the other likely scenario for this market. So currently the overall trend is downtrend, but we are able to catch a very nice. In fact, for those that are following us even in the VIP groups, we have almost, this is over 800 pips, to over 400 pips. Sorry, we have over 400 pips trading this Boom 1000 index market now. So completely, if you look at the structure, I told you the market looks bullish, but the overall trend is downtrend. But we are waiting for market to make a high advancement, especially on this 4 hours time frame. I want to see this market find a support around this area to support this market, or at this level, then before it finally go up from the here, or finally go back up again from here. I want market to break this double bottom high for the uptrend to continue. This is the likely scenario. So this is Boom&Crash Club. Please, if you are finding any difficulties trading Boom&Crash, if you have any problem trading Boom&Crash, if you don't know how to trade Boom&Crash very well, if you are trading Boom&Crash for a very long time and you are not making good profit, please kindly subscribe to this channel, because we always release a very nice Boom&Crash scalping spike strategy every blessed week, catching spike with everybody on this channel. And we also have a free Telegram channel where we share our VIP signal group for free and other premium VIP signals. So you can check the link in the description, and let's dive in now. So let me move to the second on the list, which is so the second on our list is what? The next big move. What is the next big move for 1000? As in, what is the likely high next move for Boom 1000 index? Let me go to the weekly. This is a weekly chart. Look at it. According to weekly chart, we are in a very strong uptrend. Why? Because market has produced higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Market get another higher high here. But what happened? Market failed to create another higher low that will make this market go up higher, but market later full back into this zone. So if you look at the market structure very well now from all perspective, this market is looking very, very high. Look at it. You see, this market is looking bullish here. So now it's as if market just made a full back into this zone, because there was a nice order block now in this region that was activated for this market to take this trend. Look at it. There's a very nice order block here. This is this order block. This one, this one. So you see, this order block is very nice and easy to follow. So now, the way I'm anticipating it, and at least for the long term, market need to retest this level, even though it will have what you call a embedded head and shoulder for this market to come down to the downtrend, or it will break this high and this high, and market may likely create another higher high, continue the market structure. And as for me, this is a very long, nice move. You see, this is a very long, nice move. You can see, very long, nice move. Sure. This is a very long, nice move, and market can go that way. So if you have very good trading system and you know what you are doing, this market should be able to give you what you want. And with this market, you should be able to make money trading the Boom&Crash. You should be able to make money catching spike this 2025 and 2026 beyond. This is Boom&Crash Forex Club. Please don't forget our free Boom&Crash spike strategy that is always sponsored by Source FX are already on live. So please, I want you to go and watch this free strategy. We just released 2 free strategies just last month and this month, and let me show you now. This strategy, over 1,000 people watched this strategy in just one day. This is a very nice Boom&Crash spike catching strategy. Please, if you don't have money to buy my custom robot, if you don't have money to buy my custom indicator, kindly come and use this free Boom&Crash strategy that you can use to make any kind of spike catching daily trading the Boom&Crash. Because with this strategy, you should be able to make at least 10 to 15 spikes daily catching spike with boom 1000 index. And this is the part one of this strategy. This is the part one. This is the part one. So if you want to get the update, full update, go and watch this part one. Then if you should be able to come and watch this part two. If you watch this part two, then you should be able to make every details you need to have catching spike, trading the boom and crash market. And that is what I can tell you about this boom and crash special spike strategy. And let me move to the last on our list, which is bonus tip on the major time frame to focus on as a boom and crash price action trader, so that you'll be able to see very nice result this 2025. This is Forex Boom and Crash Forex Club, a club that is designed for every boom and crash trader in order to make sure he get free strategy, catch spike consistently, trading the boom and crash 2026 and even 2050 and beyond. This is Boom and Crash Forex Club 01. So let's move to the best time frame to have focus on, which is which time frame do you need to focus on very well while trading the boom and crash market? Which time frame? For me personally, I use daily time frame and 4 hours time frame, which is D1 and what and H4. These are my major time frame that I use. If you understand how this time frame works, if you understand how to connect market structure on these time frames, you should be able to make money trading the boom and crash. You should be able to catch spike trading the boom and crash. You should be able to always make sure you have everything you need to have trading the boom and crash market this 2025. This is Boom and Crash Forex Club 01. So I repeat, if you understand the relationship between daily time frame and 4 hours time frame, please, if you want me to give you a very nice details of how you can be able to align the two time frames, the daily time frame, which is D1, and also the H4 time frame, which is 4 hours time frame, how I'm going to link them together to make sure you catch spike consistently daily as a boom and crash scalp spike trader or boom and crash daily trader. This is Boom and Crash Forex Club, and nice to have you now. See you in my next video. Bye.